When it comes to agenda setting theory, here is an excellent example that has been implemented in modern day. I just want you to think about this. If I want you to do something absolutely horrible, do you think I'm going to walk up to you, point to that finish line that I want you to go through with a banner stating my agenda and say, let's do it? If it's something that's currently socially unacceptable, I'm going to grab your hand, put a pretty smile on my face, and ask you to take a walk with me. That being said, let's apply this method to immigration. First, let's start with the name. Immigrants. That doesn't sound bad, right? They are immigrants. We can't justify harm upon immigrants. So let me tag on illegal immigrants. Excellent. Illegal implies we can enforce something upon them. We still have this immigrant, which implies personhood. Immigrants are people. We need to rid that cognitive association. How about alien? Yes, illegal alien. If breaking our laws, they still are subject to rights under those laws. So let's throw a twist to it. Let me run a campaign with images of these aliens crossing the border. Hopping fences, caravans with tons of people crossing the border. Well, now they are being demonstrated as a threat. Not only a threat, an invasion, one from another country. Now we have illegal aliens threatening our US sovereignty, but that's still a bit too meta for the public. Let's make it so it affects you personally. How about a criminal? And how about your job? Most of us have faced some sort of injustice or been victimized and need to earn an income. You can relate. Let's run a campaign highlighting the criminals that exist already in this country and how you might not be able to support your family. Perfect. Criminals pose a relevant, immediate threat, and they must be stopped, and your well-being and your families is in danger. Where to put them? They're being housed in hotels. Criminals don't deserve hotels. Better yet, criminals that are a threat to our US sovereignty. Let's cut the funding, but we still need a place to put them. You know, we do have a place called Guantanamo Bay, or how about internment camps? Those were popular and effective in World War II when under threat from a foreign power, that being Japan. Lastly, let's emphasize the cultural threat to our way of life. What's close to us? Our pets? That's a good one. Good. Let's propagate that they are eating our cats and dogs, just in case. Now, I've walked you 2 steps away from that finish line. I let go of your hand, and you'll walk across that finish line with ease, fulfilling my agenda, every want and need. I can justify the housing and deportation of these criminal aliens devoid of humanity, eating cats and dogs who are attacking our US sovereignty. We are under threat, and they deserve no rights under our laws as foreign invaders. The above events demonstrate an agenda instituted for over a decade. All are examples that have been tactically employed. You didn't always believe this. You didn't even always use this language. Remember? You have been fed this, and we are what we consume. It's been done before, and it will continue to happen again and again. This is agenda setting theory, specifically the long route. Cognitive associations are extremely powerful tools. You can walk each step to where you want to take someone. It's an amazing thing. So,